Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I want to talk about the top monthly dividend stocks to buy in 2021. Now, the reason why I love monthly dividend stocks is because you can pretty much count on cash flow coming into your account every single month. So it's perfect for beginners because you can compound your account really fast. And it's perfect for pretty much everybody, experienced intermediate investor, because you get a cash payment every single month. So we're gonna be breaking down really the top companies and top ETFs that do pay a monthly dividend payout. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video, because that's the main idea with the video and the channel. So make sure you guys smash that like button if you do. Also guys, we do have a course and you guys can learn how to properly invest in the market. Don't forget, you guys can use promo code DIVIDEND to get 50% off. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about dividends, taxes, REITs. We talk about it all. So now, roll the intro. Let's go. Monthly dividend stocks. Come on. Alrighty guys, so the very first one here that I want to talk about is BND. So this is just a general bond ETF. Now, I know a lot of people don't like investing in bonds or anything like that, but the reason why I invest in bonds is because I almost use them as like a hoarding of cash. So instead of keeping cash on your account, you can put the cash into the bond market. It will grow on average of around 5% a year. And with this ETF, you can pretty much get a monthly payout of around 2.2%, which is extremely good. And it's a very fast way to compound your money. And I know just by looking at the chart, you say, oh, Carter, it has a downward trend. Yeah, it does, but it's going from $89 to $84. So this does not move as much. So the volatility in it is extremely low. So it's perfect for every type of investor. And I'm super into this and almost just using it like a hoarding of cash. So when something falls undervalued, I sell my bonds and then I buy the investment that's undervalued. So the second one here that I want to talk about is probably one of the most popular monthly dividend stocks out there. This is what you call a REIT. So this is a real estate ETF. This company goes out, buys different real estate properties, and as the tenant pay their lease or their rent, you get a little bit of that every single month. So you guys can see 23 cent, and look at all these dividend payouts. On top of this, this has a nice upward trend in the year. It did have some overall resistance at 66, support here 56, all the way down to about 55. So you guys can see that this is a solid investment. This isn't going anywhere anytime soon, and the dividend yield is around 4.68%. So I'm a huge believer that this is not gonna go anywhere anytime soon. They have different real estate, anything from office buildings. They do own multiple 7-Elevens, Walgreens, all of that good stuff. So I think this isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And it's a very affordable way to invest in real estate, in my opinion here. Now, the next one here is ticker symbol AGNC here. So this is another monthly dividend payout. You guys can see 12 cent, all these dividend payouts here. This yield is crazy. This is the highest yield that we have at around 9%. So I always say never chase dividend yields. And yes, you should never chase dividend yields, but this is a really cool one because we have an upward trend. So on top of getting a extremely high dividend yield, you will also get a asset that's growing in value, and that's very rare. On top of it, you guys can see the earnings. They beat their past three earnings. So I think that this company is growing at a pretty rapid rate, and I'm a huge believer in this one here. Now, the next one here is ticker symbol SJR. This is another very popular dividend stock. You guys can see the extreme buying pressure here. It did pay a 7 cent. And you guys can see we did have this huge jump up in here. So the company is continuing to grow. Now, this one is a communications company. So they do own multiple, communication software and stuff like that. Cell towers, all that good stuff. So you can get a monthly dividend every single month of around 7 cents. And this is just a no-brainer investment. For under $30, you can invest and get a monthly dividend payout. On top of it, nice upward trend. Nothing to worry about. This is a solid, good, and stable investment here. So the next one here is another pretty popular one. Ticker symbol GANC here, gain. You guys can see this one does have a nice upward trend, did find some overall very hard support at around $8.16. And the thing about it is this company really turned around. You guys can see before we were losing value, you know, the stock was getting absolutely hammered. And now we've seen a ton of explosion into this company here, breaking out of the 200 moving average line and all of that stuff. So the company's growing, the asset, the stock price is growing too. You get a monthly dividend payout. So this is just another solid investment where you guys can get a monthly dividend payout, you know, to start compounding your account, because that's the biggest thing is you want those dividends. You always want to make sure you have a broker that does offer drip, so you can use these dividends, reinvest it, and then get more dividends and more dividends and more dividends. And before you know it, your account will grow, you know, exponentially. So I'm a huge believer in them. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care.